Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we are going to see how to earn many points in advanced agriculture event. So in this event you need to grow crops. Here you can read to earn tournament points and win amazing prizes. Okay, so here you can see how many points we'll get for each crop. Okay, so let's start. So my points are 1928 and I am on 8th position. So I want to reach here to the top level. So you can notice I'm growing only wheat in my farm, only wheat. So why I'm doing that? So there is some reason. So before harvesting it, I'll just check if my barn is full. Okay, 325. I'll just sell it. I'm just selling the unnecessary item which I don't need. Okay. So so there are two ways to earn many points. First trick is using laboratory. So here you can see for this option you will get double points. So with this you just need to drag the booster here to activate it, but as I have less points I cannot use this. I can buy this booster, but don't waste your money here. There is one more method to do to earn many points. So first of all I'll just harvest everything and I'll tell how why I'm doing this. See, my points are increased 1979. So you can see to earn 1 point for wheat we need only 2 minutes. To earn 2 points we need 5 minutes. To earn 3 points we need 10 minutes. So if you go to the last one, the silk, you will get 18 points for this silk, but you need to wait for 15 hours, which is not the good thing. So if you plant these, you need to wait 15 hours to earn 18 points. Instead, you should target such plants which will grow in very less time, and we can even if we get less points, no issues, we can earn more points. See, now I'm just planting it. No, this wheat will plant. Okay, now we can see we'll count how many points we'll get. This 6, 12, 27, 27 plus 8, 35, 35 plus 8, 44, 44 plus 8, 52 points we should get. So wait 1 minute, 52 points we'll get. So in how much time we'll get it? In just only in 2 minutes we'll get it. Okay, so this is very good option to earn many points. Morning time I was like having 700 only, so in 3-4 hours I earn so many points. Wait a minute, we have enough time. Okay, 39 seconds. So my city name is my town name is Premnagar. Do visit my town and like my town. You can see it is very beautiful place, very well decorated. See here, everything is well decorated. 1 minute. Let me just send the plane. One minute. Okay, leave that. Now see, in 2 minutes we'll get how many points? 52 points we'll get in 2 minutes. And simply we can go to number 1 and earn those 50 rupees or 50 points. Okay, barn is full, just sell it, we don't need it. See, I went to 7th position. So it is very easy to earn many points. Just repeat the process. In less time you'll get many points. Okay, if you like my city and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.